To which region did the Harappans export some of their etched ornaments? A. Egypt. B. China. C. Greece. D. Mesopotamia. The correct answer is D. Mesopotamia. When did Japan take control of Korean domestic and foreign policy? A. Before 1900. B. During the Russo-Japanese War. C. After 1905. D. After 1904. The correct answer is C. After 1905. What was Naldiara contribution of? A. Buddhists. B. Jains. C. Sikhs. D. Hindus. The correct answer is B. Jains. Which field of study prepared students for public life, commerce, and administration in Italian universities? A. Mathematics. B. Science. C. Engineering. D. Ethics. The correct answer is D. Ethics. What role did Emperor Bahadur Shah to initially play regarding the rebels' offer? A. He led the British forces. B. He refused it outright. C. He accepted after much hesitation. D. He immediately accepted it. The correct answer is C. He accepted after much hesitation. The development of agriculture in the wetland region depended on the use of which group of people? A. Laborers. B. Priests. C. Traders. D. Warriors. The correct answer is A. Laborers. What did Raja Ram Mohan Roy preach? A. Atheism. B. Monotheism. C. Polytheism. D. Idolatry. The correct answer is B. Monotheism. What conference did Gandhi preside over in November 1919? At the Indian National Congress session. B. The Muslim League annual meeting. C. The All India Khilafat Conference. D. The Round Table Conference. The correct answer is C. The All India Khilafat Conference. What slogan did B.K. Dutt and others shout inside the Central Legislative Assembly? A. Quit India. B. Inquilab Jindabad. C. Vande Mataram. D. Jai Hind. The correct answer is B. Inquilab Jindabad. Who was facilitated in his triumph by the inability of successive Democratic Party leaders to combine and act with resolution? A. Hitler. B. Stalin. C. Churchill. D. Mussolini. The correct answer is D. Mussolini. What is the characteristic of Neithal region? A. Forested. B. Coastal. C. Sandy desert. D. Riverine valley. The correct answer is B. Coastal. Which agreement recognized the British occupation of Egypt? A. Anglo-Russian Entente. B. Entente Cordiale. C. Dual Alliance. D. Triple Alliance. The correct answer is B. Entente Cordiale. What was the consequence of the inclusion of the theory of priesthood and the theory of sacraments in Christian theology? A. It increased the power of the clergy. B. It led to the decline of the church. C. It reduced the power of the monarchy. D. It resulted in greater theological debate. The correct answer is A. It increased the power of the clergy. What is one of the principles reaffirmed in the preamble to the United Nations? A. The superiority of large nations. B. The equal rights of men and women. C. The right to wage war for self-defense. D. The importance of economic prosperity. The correct answer is B. The equal rights of men and women. Who was taken prisoner during Kattabomman's escape attempt? A. Sevthaya. B. Oomthurai. C. If Subramaniam. D. Edward Clive. The correct answer is C. If Subramaniam. In what year did the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War take place? A. 1790. Born in 1799. Circa 1767. D. 1780. The correct answer is born in 1799. Which Maratha leader remained neutral during the events described? A. Holkar. B. Daulat Rao Scindia. C. Bhonsle. D. Peshwa. The correct answer is B. Daulat Rao Scindia. The Madras Presidency during the British regime covered a vast expanse of which part of India? A. Southern India. B. Western India. C. Eastern India. D. Northern India. The correct answer is A. Southern India. What was Confucius known for being, in addition to a philosopher? A. A religious leader. B. A military strategist. C. A political reformer. D. A poet. The correct answer is C. A political reformer. Which Hindu deity was stamped on Muhammad Ghori's gold coins? A. Shiva. B. Saraswati. C. Vishnu. D. Lakshmi. The correct answer is D. Lakshmi. Who resisted the transfer of forests from local control? A. Adivasis and nationalists. B. British officials and landowners. C. Industrialists and peasants. D. Zamindars and merchants. The correct answer is A. Adivasis and nationalists. Where did Kattabomman escape to? A. Panchalmakuruchi. B. Madurai. C. Pudukkottai. D. Kolapatti. The correct answer is C. Pudukkottai. How many temples were carved out of the hill at Ellora, including the Kailasanath temple? A. 20. B. 40. C. 30. D. 10. The correct answer is C. 30. With whom was Chinnamalai alongside to fight against the British East India Company? A. The Raja of Pudukkottai. B. Tipu Sultan. C. The Raja of Tanjavur. D. The Raja of Ittyapuram. The correct answer is B. Tipu Sultan. How many men did Britain lose in the Battle of Somme? A. 20,000. B. 200,000. C. 2 million. D. 500,000. The correct answer is A. 20,000. Which dynasty's most popular king was Harshavardhana? A. Maurya. B. Pala. C. Gupta. D. Vardhana. The correct answer is D. Vardhana. In what year did Muhammad bin Tughlaq ascend the throne? A. 1320. Born in 1335. Circa 1325. D. 1330. The correct answer is circa 1325. What was the name of the treaty between the English and Raghunath Rao? A. Treaty of Poona. B. Treaty of Mysore. C. Treaty of Surat. D. Treaty of Srirangapatnam. The correct answer is C. Treaty of Surat. What groups of people lived in the Indus region during the Harappan civilization? A. Farmers, pastoralists, and hunter-gatherers. B. Fishermen, sailors, and builders. C. Warriors, traders, and scholars. D. Artisans, merchants, and soldiers. The correct answer is A. Farmers, pastoralists, and hunter-gatherers. Which of these old populous manufacturing towns is not mentioned as losing its market? A. Murshidabad. B. Lucknow. C. Bombay. D. Dhaka. The correct answer is C. Bombay. How did you score?